Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change icon color in Photoshop. Now you can see icon color in Photoshop. Then firstly open the icon. Now going to the file menu option. Then click. Now click from open option. Now find your icon. Now click from. Now select from icon. Now select from open option. Now open the icon. Now you can see then we show icon. Now change the icon color. Now keyboard press on control. Now going to the layer. And I click from layer option. Now you can see then we select from color. Now select from color. Now click for OK. Now keyboard press from Alt backspace. Then again select from select color. Now click for OK. Now keyboard press from Alt. There it is. Now you can see change icon color in Photoshop is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.